The Traitors is a show where lying, manipulation, and betrayal are literally part of the game. But what happens when the biggest betrayal allegedly happens behind the cameras? The Traitors Season 2 has suddenly landed into a massive controversy after Shanil Gill and Crystal D'Souza raised serious questions about Parul Gulati's almost supernatural ability to identify the traitors. And now everyone wants to know just one thing. Was Parul really that good at the game? Was there an information leak? Or are we watching another perfectly timed reality show controversy? Let's start with why people are suspicious. During the game, Parul repeatedly seemed extremely confident about who the traitors were. She correctly suspected Harman Singha and was so confident that she reportedly even put her business on the line while making the claim. Later, she also suspected Crystal. At that time, it looked like Parul had unlocked some Sherlock Holmes level 6 sense. But Shanil Gill has now alleged that there could have been another explanation. Every contestant on The Traitors is reportedly assigned a production member known as the Shadow. Their job is basically to stay with the contestant, help with their requirements, and ensure the tightly controlled format of the show remains intact. Shanil alleged that the Shadow assigned to an innocent contestant was being paid to leak confidential information about who the traitors were. She did not exactly hold back either, comparing the alleged situation to match fixing. Crystal D'Souza was equally furious. She questioned how Parul could repeatedly identify traitors with such confidence, while apparently giving explanation that, according to Crystal, was not convincing. And suddenly, Parul's famous gut feeling has become the most investigated gut in Indian reality TV show. But here's where the things gets interesting. If such an information leak actually happens, that does not automatically mean the traitors itself was scripted. In fact, it could mean the opposite. Reality competitions normally go to extreme lengths to prevent contestants from accessing information. Previous reports about the Traitors India described contestants surrendering phones and other devices, being kept isolated and being accompanied by shadows. So if someone somehow bypasses those restrictions, that would be a breach of the game, not necessarily prove that the producers planned the outcome. But then there's possibility number 3, publicity. Reality television survives on conflict. Contestants accusing each other, Instagram stories, angry reaction videos, and words like cheating and match fixing creates exactly the kind of conversation that keeps a show trending between episodes. And Parul's response has only added more fuel. Instead of offering a detailed explanation, she posted, "This is circle of shuck all over again. And guess what? I'm innocent again." While calling the backlash a digital witch hunt. So right now we have explosive allegation, angry contestants, and a denial, but no publicly established proof confirming exactly what happened, which leaves the traitors with its biggest mystery yet. Forget who the traitors are. The real question is, who do you trust? Comment below, and for more such content, make sure you subscribe to FPG Showbiz.